English Unlocked. Dive into separable transitive phrasal verbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're unlocking yet another secret of the English language. We're delving into a really useful and somewhat tricky area of English grammar: separable transitive phrasal verbs. They can sometimes seem confusing, but don't worry, we're going to tackle this together, step by step. Before we dive into separable transitive phrasal verbs, let's briefly remind ourselves what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that's followed by one or more particles. These particles could be prepositions or adverbs, or a combination of both. And the real trick is that these phrases often have a completely different meaning from the base verb. For example, give up means to quit, which is quite different from the verb give on its own. Now that we've got a handle on phrasal verbs, let's look at transitive verbs. These are verbs that need an object to complete their meaning. For example, in the sentence, he reads a book, reads is a transitive verb, and a book is its object. So, a transitive phrasal verb is just a phrasal verb that needs an object. Okay, now we're getting to the heart of our topic today: separable transitive phrasal verbs. As the name suggests, these are phrasal verbs that are both transitive, meaning they need an object, and separable, meaning the verb and the particle can be separated. For instance, turn on is a separable phrasal verb. You can say both, please turn on the light, and please turn the light on. Both are correct. Let's look at some more examples to really cement this concept. Take off, you can say, he took his jacket off, or he took off his jacket. Put away, you can say, she put away the dishes, or she put the dishes away. Bring up, you can say, I want to bring up a topic, or I want to bring a topic up. We've covered a lot today, but don't worry if you don't remember everything right away. The key to mastering separable transitive phrasal verbs, like all aspects of language learning, is practice, practice, practice. So keep on practicing, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to English proficiency. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!